Hello everyone, welcome to the series where we are going to explore on every aspects of Java or in the field of Core Java. So without further ado, let's get started. So hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kulkarni. Today's date is 13th of July and the topic we are going to explore is Java history. So before moving to the Java versions has been deployed yet, we will first understand what does mean by version. So version is nothing but a better quality or a better copy of a software provided to the users for the better quality, better security of language and the new features added from the last one. So as per the concept, you may have noticed there are many versions of Java has been introduced to the public from Sun Microsystem itself and the Oracle also. So in this quick section, we are going to check all of them. So when introduced in 1991, the Java first created a software or language called as Java 1.0 in 1996. So after being introduced or developed, Java made first public appearance in the 1997. After the later on the first year, the first public appearance of Java language has been provided to the user by the name Oak, and the version name is JDK 1.1. So as you guys have noticed, the first version of Java as Java 1.0 and the second one is the Java 1.1 are codenamed with the JDK itself. But later on, from the second version, that is called as Java 1.2, which was declared in 1998 with the codename Playground, has been changed to JDK to J2SE. For the later on four consecutive versions of Java, this codename J2SE has been continued. So in 1998, when the first version of J2SE kind of name J2SE 1.2 with the codename Playground has been deployed, in next year in 2000 the third versions of language Java J2SE 1.3 has been released with the codename Kestrel. So later after a gap of almost 4 to 5 years in 2002, the Java's next language or the next version with the codename Merlin and the version name J2SE 1.4 has been released. Later on, in 2004, the fifth version of Java, J2SE 5.0 has been released. So Java kept two types of version. First one is the internal and the second one is the external use. So for the internal use, Java kept the version name same as 1.1, 1.2, 1.4. But after the version 1.4, for the public appearance, Java changed the version name instead of 1.5 to 5.0. So here on, we are still getting the version's name from the next digit. So in 2004, the fifth version of J2SE and independent version of Java 5.0 has been released with the codename Mustang. So until and unless the Java 8 version has been released in 2014, Java keep using the syntax of putting a codename to the Java version itself. But from 2014, Java dropped this idea and only version names are being called. So in 2010, Oracle took over the Sun Microsystems and changed the release cycles. So what does it mean by release cycle? So release cycle is nothing but it is a cycle when the new upgraded versions of Java is being issued to the public. So before Oracle took over the Sun Microsystems, we still getting the Java versions, but the release cycle of Java version was more frequent. So in more than 2 or 1 years, we could have only get only single versions. But from 2011, when the Oracle took over the Sun Microsystem, we are getting more and more versions. So the release cycle has been changed to the 6 months. So Oracle claimed that after every 6 months they will provide a new version to the users. From 2011, the Java SE, from the seventh version of with codename Dolphin, and in 2014 we have received the last version of Java with the codename Spider, and the version name is Java SE 8. From the Java 8 version, the codename has been dropped, and only version's name being called. So there are almost more than 18 or 19 versions has been released yet. Still, in the current version we are using is Java SE 18, which was released in March 2022, and the new version or the upcoming version is due in September 2022 with the version in Java SE 19. That's all for today. Thank you.